Zombie apocalypse.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel today. I will show you how to download preset and how to use preset. Let's start. First, go to description box of the video. Click on the link. Click on download. Now type password here. Download DNG or XMP file. I will download DNG. Now go to Lightroom app. Set curve setting like this. Add the file which you have downloaded. Now copy settings and paste to your picture.